Yes, it's almost April again, so you know what we need to do? Do a next month bullet journal spread. And for April, I'm going to do probably the easiest and the most minimalist spread that I've ever made. This kind of spread is really suits you who are busy and still want to do a bullet journal spread. You know, like I always said, you can do whatever you want with your bullet journal. But if you're busy and barely have time for yourself, I think this kind of bullet journal spread going to suit your need. And honestly, I've been so busy lately with my work that I might skip a few plan with me video for the next few months, but stay tuned for another exciting video for the next month. So without further ado, let's plan for April 2021. For the cover, I'm just going to mix this dark color and gray, and I'm making a little like simple mess. You get a rectangle in the middle, and I'm gonna let it dry completely before I write the name of the month. So let's go ahead and do my calendar first. And because I'm still working from home and I have nowhere to go basically, so I'm making this small calendar just to write down any important dates. And in the bottom, I'm doing my to-do list and YouTube video idea spread. For the weekly spread, I'm making a line across for defining every day in a week. And for the top left corner, I got some empty space, so I'm writing my quote of the month. Once you need less, you will have more. That is my mantra lately, and it is so fitting with my simplistic design. After that, I'm just gonna mark the date with bold, simple letters and a small number beside it for the date. As much as I love seeing a colorful and complicated bullet journal spread, I think this kind of design is also really pretty and clean. It's like giving your eyes a break, you know? And for the last page, of course, don't forget to do your brain dump page because I'm usually writing the important stuff that I have to do the next month here, so it's really important. Oh yes, we haven't finished our cover yet. Continue with simplistic look. I'm just gonna write April with more bold lettering that we used before. And here it is, flip through for April Bullet Journal Spread 2021. That is it for this video. I hope you like the more simple design that I did, and I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration for your own bullet journal. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!